First graders, it's Wednesday and we are ready for some phonics. So this is, oops, sorry. There we go. Okay, so this is Unit 6, Week 3, and we're going to do a quick review. Remember, this week we are looking at silent letters. So ask yourself, which letter is silent here? It's the K. What's the word? Knock. Which letter is silent? The W. What's the word? Wrote. Which letter is silent? W. What's the word? Wreck. Which letter is silent? The K. What's the word? Knob. Which letter is silent? The G. What's the word? Gnat. Which letter is silent? The W. What's the word? Wrist. Okay, this one has a few letters you don't really hear, right? But which one are we focusing on as being silent? Okay, the K is silent. What's the word? Night. Which letter is silent? K. What's the word? Knee. Which letter is silent? K. What's the word? Knife. Okay, looking here, let's read the words. A, wrap, new. Another name for a new is a wildebeest. So if you've heard of a wildebeest, that's a new. Known. Okay, I'm going to disappear here so we can look at individual sounds. Ready? I, k, I, st, ah, e, a, dr, ow, ah, st, sh. Good. Okay, think through what we know. We have our silent letter. What's the word? Writes. What's the word? Knee. What's the word? Knock. What's the word? Wrong. What's the word? Wrote. What's the word? Gnat. What's the word? Night. What's the word? Wrist. What's the word? Wrap. What's the word? Gnaw. What's the word? Wreck. What's the word? New. Good job. Okay, now we're looking at some compound words. Remember, compound word is a word that's made up of two separate words. So we can look, and if we recognize, oh, there's one word we already know, and there's another word we know. Put them together. What's the word? Knee pad. Okay, looking here, we're looking for where it breaks apart. What's the word? Snowball. What's the word? Wristwatch. What's the word? Moonlight. What's the word? Baseball. What's the word? Daydream. What's the word? Homework. What's the word? Doghouse. Okay, think through each of these words. Notice that we have a couple of silent letters. Ready? Begin. I wrote the wrong date on my test. Okay, look for clues. Ready? Begin. Do you know how to knit a scarf? Good. Okay, let's look at our sight words that are on our spelling this week. Remember, we're finishing our color words. Look, think, speak. Purple. Look, think, speak. Black. Look, think, speak. white. Look, think, speak, orange. Look, think, speak, pink. Great job. Can you use each of those words in a sentence? Pause the video and give it a try. Okay, now that we're going on, this is our decodable for today. We have here a silent letter, a sight word, and a compound word. So we have all three things that we've been working on right here in just the title. What is the title? Know about snowstorms. Okay, some sight words we'll see here. We have of, some, children, do, you, what, should, there, warm, don't, and here's our story. Okay, take a moment to look for clues of the things we've been practicing. Okay, you can see a lot of sight words. I see an S ending, making it plural more than one place. Okay. I can see my compound word here and repeat it here. Not a lot of the silent letters in this, but there are a few. Okay, ready? Begin. Winter can be a fun time of the year. In some places, a winter month means the chance of a snowstorm. Children can play in the snow. Do you know what to do in case of a big snowstorm? If you have been tuned to the news, you will know the storm is on the way. Stock up on food and water. Also, fix up a first aid kit. Grown-ups should fill up their cars with gas. Ask the right questions and check on good friends. Okay, let's look again for clues. You see a compound here, compound here. Oh, there's a little silent letter. Another compound word. Okay. Ready? Begin. The snowstorm hits. The snowflakes may fall as big as pennies or as small as gnats. The snow will pile up fast. This is the time to stay inside. The wind can blow the snow into drifts. These drifts can be knee-deep or higher. Stay inside while the snowstorm is still blowing. Dress right to go outside. Get a warm coat, knit hat, mittens, and boots. Outside, the raw wind can make you gnash those teeth. There's a silent G again. Knowing what to do in the snow is a good plan. Don't forget to have fun in the snow too. Okay, there's one thing I want to point out before we leave this story, and it's back on the first page here. I'm going to erase some things to make it a little easier. Okay. This is something you have on your worksheet today. Is called similes. And they used a simile here. In fact, they used two similes. They said, snowflakes may fall as big as pennies. Can you picture the size of a penny in your mind? I'm going to come back here. Can you think of what size a penny is? Okay, now imagine a snowflake that's as big as a penny. Would that be a big for a snowflake? That wouldn't be very big for, say, a cake or even a ball, right? But for a snowflake, that would be big. Now I want you to think of what a gnat is, as small as gnats. Gnats are itty, teeny, tiny little bugs that fly in the air. Okay, so it's something very small. So by saying that snowflakes are big as pennies, they're telling you that those are really big snowflakes. And when they're saying that snowflakes are as small as gnats, it helps you picture itty bitty teeny tiny snowflakes. Okay, so that is called a simile when they compare something, in this case snowflakes, to something else, pennies or gnats. When they compare it, it helps create a picture in your mind, and that is the job of a simile. There's another video you can watch on similes. Okay, just one more quick review of these compound words. Okay, the first one, what are the two words you see? Class, room. Read it. Classroom. Second, what do you see? Snow, storm. Read it. Snowstorm. Third, what do you see? Knee, pad. Knee pad. Fourth, what do you see? Sun, light. Sunlight. And what's our fifth compound word made of? Rain, fall. Rainfall. So there's some practice of the compound words. Okay, so when you're doing your own reading today, I hope that you will check for the compound words and let me know what compound words you find. What are some you can come up with? Can you make a list? I'd love to hear your ideas. Have a great day. Bye.